students, we are on third topic, page number 74, problem number 24. Concentrate. I'll solve it and show you, and I'll send you the photos after the video is uploaded. A small blackened solid copper sphere of radius 2.5 centimeter. Actually, I had begun this problem in the previous class. Radius is 2.5 centimeter. Is placed in an evacuated chamber. The temperature is maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius plus 273, 373 kelvins. At what rate energy must be supplied to the copper sphere to maintain its temperature at 110 kelvins degrees Celsius? Stephen's constant is given. The value of Stephen's constant, they have mentioned it as 5. Actually 76 nahi hai the, 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per meter square. Students, in the textbook they have given Stephen's constant as 5.76. Actually it is not so. It is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per meter square second Kelvin raised to 4. Okay, and treat it as a black body. To find the temperature or the rate at which the energy must be supplied, Q is equal to how much? Formula from Stephen's law of radiation, Q is equal to sigma A sigma T raised to 4 minus T naught raised to 4. Because it's a black body, small e is equal to 1. Therefore, Q is equal to A, area spherical body है a small blackened solid sphere है. So, what is the area of the sphere? 4 pi r square sigma T raised to 4 minus T naught raised to 4. Therefore, Q is equal to 4, pi is 3.142, small r is 2.5 centimeter square, that is 2.5 centimeter square means 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. The rate at which energy is transferred is 4, pi value is 3.142, r 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 square is 6.25 meter minus 4 in r, T raised to 4 is 383 चा fourth power minus 373 चा fourth power. Okay, calculations are lengthy, but the textbook answers get mashed, and the answer is, please do the log part. I'll if you want I'll further simplify it students. थोड़ा आणि simplify करून देते. 4 2 जा 8, 4 4 जा 16, 4 1 जा 4 plus 1 pi, 4 3 जा 12. हे बघा 6.25 10 raised to minus 4, 383 raised to 4th power minus 373 चा 4th power. सॉल्व करा, आन्सर लॉगनी बरोबर येणार, दॅट इज 0.962 वॅट. Now problem number 25. Look here. Find the temperature of the black body if its spectrum has a peak at lambda max. Lambda max त्याने किती धरलं? 700 नॅनोमीटर. ओके, तुम्हाला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायला सांगितलं आहे? बी दिला आहे 2.893 इंटू 10 raised to minus 3 मीटर केल्विन. टू फाइंड काय? ही नंबर 1 केस आहे. फाइंड द टेम्परेचर, कैपिटल T इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? वी हैव स्टूडेंट्स वेन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट लॉ, लैम्बडा मैक्स is equal to B upon T. Therefore, T is equal to B upon lambda max. What is that? B is 2.893 into 10 raised to minus 3. Lambda max is 700 nanometer. म्हणजे 700 into 10 raised to minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. कळतं? 700 नॅनो मीन्स -9 मुलांना 2 0 कमी करा. Simplify it. T is equal to how much? 2.8. 0.7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7. Students, 2 remains, 7 3s are 21 into 10 raised to 4. म्हणजे आन्सर इज T इज इक्वल टू 4130 केल्विन्स. एंड्स द जॉब. तुम्ही आता चेक करा टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये. केस नंबर 1 झाली हां ही. आता आय शो यू केस नंबर 2. लुक हिअर. केस नंबर 2. केस नंबर 2 मध्ये ते म्हणतात की लॅमडा मॅक्स यू टेक इट ॲज 3 सेंटीमीटर. हां, बी इज ॲज युजल सेम 2.897 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter Kelvin. To find काय? Same temperature. Same goes the story. T is equal to B upon lambda max. B is 2.897 minus 3. Lambda max is 3 minus 2 students. Easy to solve. T is equal to 3 9s are 27. 1 remains. 3 6s are 18. 3 5s are 15. 2 remains. 3 6s are 18. Recurring minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So you can refer the answer. It is 0.09656 kelvins. Again, case number 3. त्याच्यातलीच case number 3. They have told you to catch lambda max as 3 meter. T is equal to how much? Same story. T is equal to B divided by lambda max. B is 2.897 10 raised to minus 3 divided by lambda max is 3 only. सेंटीमीटर नाही येते. सेम स्टोरी 0.9656 केल्विन येणार म्हणून डायरेक्टली इंटू 10 raised to minus 3 केल्विन डिवाइड करून बघा ना. यू विल गेट द आन्सर. एंड्स द टॉपिक, एंड्स द प्रॉब्लेम्स ॲज वेल. ठीक आहे. हे झाले सगळं, म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम आणि टॉपिक दोन्ही घेतले मुलांना. Henceforth I'll be doing like this only. Actually I was waiting for the lockdown to get over. I think Diwali, after Diwali you have very good chances of the colleges getting reopened. Today we are going to start with physics section B. Topic number 4, and that is, see, we have finished 3 topics, that is wave optics, electrostatics and current electricity. Today we will be starting with magnetic field due to electric current. Very easy part. Topic is lengthy students. हा 4th topic घेते मी. Total 7th topic सुरू होणार आता. Concentrate मुलांनो. What you are going to learn here? We are going to start with this simple experiment, that is Oersted. But Oersted's experiment was dealt in the 10th standard, if you remember. What was Oersted's experiment? Thumb rule. Thumb rule, students. What was that thumb rule? If the current carrying conductor is held in the right hand with the fingers curled around it and the thumb extended along the length, then if the curled fingers denote the sense of rotation, then the extended thumb gives the direction of the magnetic field. We are going to begin with magnetic field due to electric current. Topic number 4, section B. It's another huge topic. The topic begins itself with Oersted's experiment. Oersted's experiment says that, simple, a current carrying conductor always produces magnetic field around it. Always, whenever a wire carries current, it always produces a magnetic field around it. Okay, to start with that, consider, look here, this is, if this is the current carrying conductor, this is the fingers curled, they represent the direction of the magnetic field. Then the extended thumb gives the direction of the current. आणि जर मी हात असा उलटा केला तर उलटी डायरेक्शन येणार. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट, this is the direction of the magnetic field. Opposite it is. It's like this and it is like this. म्हणजे एवढंच Oersted's experiment लक्षात घ्या की if a current carrying conductor is held in the right hand. If the current carrying conductor, any wire carrying current produces a magnetic field around it. झालं. Oersted experiment was further improved by many other scientists, like Faraday was there. There was Maxwell. There was Lawrence and all that. कसं सांगते तुम्हाला. एक कॉमन सेन्स एवढं लक्षात घ्या की इफ अ वायर कॅरीज करंट, it produces a magnetic field around it. How do you come to know that a magnetic field is produced around this current carrying wire? मुलांना त्याच्यासाठी आपण कंपस निडल ठेवतो, हे ठेवतो, ते ठेवतो. तसलं इथं इन 12th स्टँडर्ड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दॅट. This is a current carrying wire. It produces a magnetic field around it. How do you come to know that? Place another current carrying wire. Okay. Place another wire. I don't say current carrying wire. Place another wire in its premises or in its vicinity. Meaning या करंट कॅरिंग वायरच्या शेजारी एक साधी वायर ठेवा. आता ह्या वायरमधून